அநேகன் படத்தில் நிறைய பேரை நம்ம மீட் பண்ணுவோம். பட் இப்போ நம்ம மீட் பண்ணுறது ஒரு ரியல் க்யூட் பியூட்டிஃபுல் யங் லேடி என்ன சொல்லணும், த ஹீரோயின் ஆஃப் த மூவி அமைரா. கரெக்ட்?
Yes.
Am I pronouncing that right?
Amira.
காதல்லாம் என்ன தெரியுமாடா உனக்கு? சேர்ந்திருந்தா காதலோட வேல்யூ புரியாது.
Okay, so Amira, tell us about your character in this movie.
Well, I'm playing 4 different characters, and each of my characters are opposite Dhanush's characters, Dhanush sir's characters, and yeah, so you'll see me playing a 14-year-old girl to a very glamorous woman as well, and then you'll see me as a traditional girl as well as a modern day South Indian girl. So it's got a lot of fun stuff, and I just hope you guys like it.
Okay, so which of those 4 characters did you actually personally like and enjoy doing?
The traditional Tamil girl.
Honestly.
Honestly, I loved it because it was the most challenging for me, because it was such a completely different person for me to be. You know, like I'm a Bombay girl. I've been born and brought up in Bombay all my life. So playing a character like that was very challenging because you have to get the body language correct. You have to make sure that, you know, like you have to understand the culture of that kind of village at that time, and it was really hard, but with KV sir's help I really managed to pull it off, at least I think, and I hope I did, and I thank him for that every day.
Brilliant. Alright, cinema is not new to you. You've already done one movie in Hindi, so but this is your debut in Tamil.
Yeah.
Right? And I think this is a real big debut for you because you've got a big star cast, a big banner, everything. So how is that for you, the first movie in Tamil? I think a lot of heroines who come into Tamil industry will be wanting such a break. So you've got that. How do you feel about that?
I feel very grateful for it. You know, I mean, at the end of the day, you're right. It's a huge banner. I have very kind and big producers. I have a fantastic director. I have a fantastic co-star. I got to share screen space with Karthik sir, and he's a legend here.
Yes.
And you know, I couldn't even ask for more. It's just everything just happened, and I feel so lucky and so grateful for it.
Okay, so have you watched any of Karthik sir's movie before, or at least after signing up?
No. I have only watched the movies that KV sir told me to watch, and there are a lot of old South Indian films that I watched, mainly to understand the characters that he wanted me to play, and I had to concentrate on that because more than anything that is work, you know. So now I have free time. As the movie releases tomorrow, I'm gonna sit down, watch a bunch of movies, and just chill.
Brilliant. Okay, so Dhanush, I think now in Hindi as well he's a big star, not just in Kollywood, Bollywood also he's like a big raving star where everybody wants to, you know, do a character with him. So tell us about working with him, because you've been there with him throughout the movie, right? So tell us about.
Yeah, I keep saying this and I really mean it. More than a great actor, he's a very good human being. He's very humble and very down to earth, and that for someone who's reached that kind of level of superstardom is amazing to see. And working opposite him, I learned a lot just by watching him. He just lights up when the camera is on, you know, and he just switches on and off in instances. And the fact that he did every single thing that KV sir asked him to do shows what a good human being he is. He never argued, he never tried to, like, you know, do the shot his own way. He listened to the director, and he was very understanding even with me because I didn't know Tamil, so I did do a few extra takes here and there, and he never once made me feel intimidated, and I'm very grateful to him for that, and I do hope we get to work together again soon.
Brilliant. So which was the most difficult scene in the movie for you, because as you already told us that you don't know the language as well, so which was the most difficult?
Funnily enough, it wasn't a dialogue scene. It was actually an underwater sequence that we shot. That's part of the Burma sequence that you will see in the beginning of the movie. And that was very hard because we're underwater. I'm wearing a sari. The sari is going up. I'm trying to stay down. And I have Dhanush sir in front of me, and it was just so much fun. We were both underwater, and KV sir was like with the camera, and Om sir can't swim well, so even he was with the camera. So it was a fun shot. Everyone was struggling, but I saw the movie, and it has come out so well. So watch out for that. I wish they had that in bloopers, because y'all would really die laughing.
Okay, so I'm sure a big crew of people would have already seen the movie along with you. So what did they tell you after seeing the final output?
It wasn't a big crew. It was just our producers, KV sir,
Okay.
me, Dhanush sir and his family, and Aishwarya as well. So all of us saw it together yesterday at our producer's house. He screened it for us. And everyone came back to me and said I did a very good job, and KV sir said he was very proud of me, and I mean, I'm just grateful for that.
Brilliant. So what kind of dream roles do you actually have to work on?
Any like dream roles anymore, because I just got to play everything I wanted to play in this movie. It's amazing. Like for me, dream roles are any roles that genuinely challenge my talent, and I think this entire movie was a complete challenge, and I want to work on movies like this where I do have something challenging to do, because I don't want to be just another pretty face on screen opposite a big star. I want to act and I want to showcase my talent, even if it's for 5 minutes or if it's for 2 hours.
Okay, so who is that one particular actor in Tamil that you would always want to work with or you always liked? Have you watched any movie before I ask
Of
you
course
that
I have.
question?
I said KV sir gave me a whole list of movies. I'm a big fan of Vikram sir, so hopefully one day I'll get to work with him.
How sweet. Alright, so wishing you all success.
Thank
I
you.
think I will have to ask you a lot more, but only after watching you on screen. Now that I'm waiting to watch you on screen, wishing you all success.
Thank you.
But before we go on, can you tell us about the song sequences as well? Because none of us have spoken about it yet.
Well, we've shot the songs in very exotic locations. You will see us shooting in Burma, you will see us shooting in Malaysia, and Harris sir has composed the most amazing variety for an album that I've ever heard, because he's gone from a song like Danga Mari to a song like Atadi to a song like YOLO to a song like Roja Kudle, and
Right.
you know that nothing is the same. Not one song is the same. You know, there's a melodious song, there's a raw South Indian number, there's a dubstep song, and that's in YOLO, and Roja Kudle is just peppy. So it's all different kinds of music, and for him to actually get that into one album and still create a flow, because even the music, it creates a flow with the
Right.
story. I think that's amazing, and his composition has really helped the movie, and thank you so for that, because without you, the Anegan wouldn't be as great as it is.
That is a very kind statement from you as well.
But it's the truth.
I get that. Alright, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Wishing you all success, all the very best. Have you signed any other movies as of now?
Not
If I
signed,
can
but
ask
in
you.
talks.
In talks.
In talks.
All the best for that. Pick good movies and give us real good
I will.
subjects. Okay, we'll be waiting to watch you on screen.
Thank you.
Good luck from Team India Glitz and Kirti.
Thank you.